Hi friends, this is Myra with Vial Designs, and in this video I'm going to show you how to write the days of the week in calligraphy. And I'm going to be using the Zebra Funwari brush pen as well as my planner related practice worksheets. These worksheets are available inside my Patreon membership, and I'm going to add links to everything down below. Make sure to check the description if there is anything that you would like to find out more about. This calligraphy style is usually known as bounce lettering or bounce calligraphy, and so what that means is some of the downstrokes and the upstrokes are past the baseline and the waistline. And to put it in simple terms, as you can see, some of the strokes of the letters are like bouncing off the page, which makes this style of lettering super playful and fun to do. If you want to letter the days of the week in bounce lettering with me and using my workbook, be sure to check the description, and it's also available in my Patreon. This was part of our January set of lettering worksheets. Every single month is a different theme, so you can access it there as well. And these worksheets have over 100 planet related words to practice in bounce lettering. If you want to practice with me, make sure you check those out. As always, I recommend for you to go slow when you're practicing your calligraphy. As you can see in here, this is real-time calligraphy. I wanted to leave this video real-time so you know how slow you should be going. And also, if you notice in the video, I'm pausing in between each stroke. This is to help you with letter consistency as well as to regain the comfort of grabbing the pen so you have beautiful lettering. I love creating these videos for you, so be sure to leave me a comment and let me know what other videos you would like to see here in the channel. And as always, liking, commenting, and subscribing is a free way to support my channel and to help YouTube show my videos to more calligraphy and lettering enthusiasts just like you. If you're liking this bounce lettering style so far and would like to know more, at the end of this video I'm going to show you how you can watch my bounce lettering video tutorial for beginners, where I show you everything that you need to know to do this style of calligraphy, as well as another video where I go through the whole bounce lettering alphabet. And remember, if you want access to these calligraphy practice worksheets and many more, these are available inside my Patreon, where every month you can have access to step-by-step doodling worksheets, coloring printables, as well as hand lettering and calligraphy practice worksheets. Every month is a different theme where we explore different lettering and calligraphy styles and practice words, you name it. Pretty much everything that you need to stay creative, stay sane, focus on your mental health, and just, dedicate a little bit of me time every day. You will find that inside the membership, and I would love to see you there.